Hey guys, so I'm redoing the gears again, and I just want to do a quick video on how to install the pinion bearing without a press. I did a video like this earlier, but it was just a YouTube short, which I don't think shows up in the search results. So my advice to anyone who's never done this before, you're better off taking it to a shop. I'm fairly mechanically inclined, and I've struggled with it. Trying to get it to quiet down. It's too noisy, but I'm too stubborn, and I don't know anyone that actually specializes in it around here, and I'm in too deep now. There's no way I'm going to let this beat me. Now, there's no guarantee that this time's going to work. It might still be noisy. If it is, I'm just going to run it, but eventually I'm going to get it quiet. I don't care if I got to buy 15 gear sets to do it. That's what I'll be doing. But anyway, we're just going to show you how to get the pinion bearing on without a press. Okay guys, you want to turn the oven on, set it for 350, 400, doesn't really matter, but preheat the oven first. Okay, with the oven all preheated, we'll take I preheated the oven to 350, we'll take the bearing and put it in the oven, and I think I did this before, it was 5 or 6 minutes, but just to be safe, we'll do 10 minutes this time. Put your pinion in the freezer, and you want it to be in there, I'd say overnight, just to be sure. At least 12 hours, but I think I've had this in here for about 24. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes. So just set your pinion down, and don't forget your pinion shim. I almost did. So I take it out of the oven. It should drop right on. And it did. So just let it cool. Don't move it around so the bearing stays down. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.